So YDSE, it is a Young's double slit experiment. It is one of the very simple and important experiments. So class கவனிச்சவாங்க careful. S1 ஒரு slit, that is small opening. S2 ஒரு slit and it is screen. So from S1 light is reaching the point P. From S2 also light is reaching the point P. So from S1 light is coming and reaching the point P. From S2 light is reaching point P. So at point P ரெண்டு வேவ் என்ன பண்ணிக்க போகுது மோதிக்க போகுது. Okay, and this point we take it as E ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். This point we can take F ன்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். And distance between source and the screen is capital D. Distance between the two sources small d. And C is a midpoint. In the point O. In the distance X எடுத்துக்க போறோம். Total distance D இதுல X இங்க இது X. C is a midpoint. Can you guess what is this value? D by 2. What is this value? D by 2. Correct? இப்போ இந்த PE இருக்கு இல்லையா? Can you say what is PE in terms of X? PE is equal to இங்கேந்து இது வரைக்கும் X. அதுல இந்த portion D by 2. Then what is remaining portion?
X minus D by 2.
X minus D by 2. Correct. Similarly, what is PF? Here to here X, here to here D by 2. What is PTF?
X plus D by 2.
X plus D by 2. So it is page 1. So ask me doubts if you have. If no doubt, I go to next page.
No doubts.
Karthik?
Sir, no doubts.
இப்போ S1 ல இருந்து ஒரு வேவ் P ன்ற பாயிண்ட்க்கு போயிருக்கா? S2 ல இருந்து ஒரு வேவ் P ன்ற பாயிண்ட்க்கு போயிருக்கா? P ன்ற பாயிண்ட்ல ரெண்டு வேவ் மோதிக்குதா? Which wave travels extra distance?
S2.
S2. So what is the path difference? What is the path difference? That is extra path travel by the wave. எவ்வளவு path extra travel பண்ணிருக்கு? S2P minus S1P தான் path difference. புரியுதா? S2 to P minus S1 to P. The difference is path difference. Now we start derivation. First we take this triangle. We take triangle S1EP. So இதான் S1, இது E, இது P. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. We can apply Pythagoras theorem. S1P square is equal to D square plus X minus D by 2 the whole square. So S1P square equal to D square plus A minus B whole square. So A square minus 2AB plus B square. Either 2 cancel ஆயிடுமா? So S1P square is equal to D square plus X square minus XD plus D square by 4. Equation number 1. Any doubt in this?
No doubts.
Shall I go to next page?
Sir.
Now we take this triangle. Karthi, doubt இருக்கா அதுல?
Sir, இல்ல sir.
So we take S2FP. It is D, it is X plus D by 2. Apply Pythagoras theorem. S2P square is equal to D square plus X plus D by 2 the whole square. So S2P square is equal to D square plus A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Here also 2 cancel. So S2P square is equal to D square plus X square plus XD plus D square by 4. Equation 2. Doubt in this?
No, sir.
Sir.
Now what we are doing, we are going to subtract 2 minus 1. So S2p square minus S1p square is equal to d square plus x square plus xd plus d square by 4 minus d square plus x square minus xd plus d square by 4. So இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா d square cancel ஆயிடும். x square cancel. d square by 4 cancel. So what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Correct? A square minus b square equal to a plus b to a minus b. Equal to what is this? xd minus xd. So what we are getting? S2p plus S1p into S2p minus S1p equal to xd plus xd. Correct?
Yes.
So what is xd plus xd? 2xd. So S2p plus S1p into S2p minus S1p is equal to 2xd. So S2p minus S1p is equal to 2xd by S2p plus S1p. We know very well what is this? Path difference. Never ka? So path difference is equal to 2xd by S2p plus S1p. Till this, you can ask me any doubt. குழப்பமா இருக்கா?
Sir. Understood.
உனக்குப்பா?
Sir, yes, sir.
இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? If the capital D value much more than small d இருந்தா, then S1p approximately equal to S2p approximately equal to D ன்னு எடுத்துக்க போறோம். இந்த approximation only for denominator. Only for denominator. அப்ப என்ன ஆயிடும்? Path difference is equal to 2xd by d plus d. So path difference is equal to 2xd by 2d, capital D. 2 cancel ஆயிடுச்சா? So path difference is equal to x into small d by capital D. It is equation number 3. So it's also a very big derivation. So I divide into 3 steps. Step 1 overrides. So you can ask me doubts in this. In step 1.
Sir.
Okay. Shall I go to step 2?
Yes.
Step 2 is for bright fringe. Bright fringe, also called what? Constructive interference. Constructive interference. We know that. What is a condition for constructive interference? ஞாபகம் இருக்கா?
Cos square.
இல்ல path difference equal to n lambda.
Yes, sir.
Path difference equal to n lambda. What is third equation? Path difference is equal to x into small d by capital D. Compare these two. What we are getting? X into small d by capital D is equal to n lambda. X equal to what? N lambda capital D by small d. Is it clear?
Yes.
Shall I go to next page?
Sir.
So what is
Sir,
x1?
1 second, continuous, please.
Ah.
Sir, yes, sir.
So what is xn? It is n lambda capital D by small d. So what is x1? It is 1 lambda capital D by small d. What is x2? 2 lambda capital D by small d. What is x3? 3 lambda capital D by small d, and so on. For example, from this point, it is first fringe, bright fringe. It is second bright fringe. It is third bright fringe, and so on. So from here to here, distance x1. From here to here, distance x2. From here to here, distance x3 வச்சுக்கலாமா? அப்ப what is the distance between these 2 points?
x1 minus x2.
x2 minus x1. Correct? And what is the difference between these 2 points? x3 minus
x3
x2.
minus
So from this, what is x2 minus x1? 2 lambda capital D by small d minus 1 lambda capital D by small d. Nothing but lambda capital D by small d. Similarly, what is x3 minus x2? 3 lambda capital D by small d minus 2 lambda capital D by small d equal to lambda capital D by small d. Appo, what is the conclusion? Similarly, and so on, x of n plus 1 minus xn also what we are getting? Lambda capital D by small d தான் கிடைக்கும். So what is the conclusion? Therefore, distance between any two consecutive right fringes is equal to what is the value? Lambda capital D by small d equal to lambda capital D by small d. Step 2 over ஆயிடுச்சு. Please ask me out in the steps.
Understood, sir.
Shall I go to step 3?
Yes.
Now step 3. Step 3 for dark fringe. Step 3 for dark fringe. Also called what? Destructive interference. Destructive interference. So we know that what is a condition for dark fringe? What is a condition for dark fringe? Path difference is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. Correct? We also know that from third equation, path difference is equal to what? X into small d by capital D. Now compare these two. What we are getting? X into small d by capital D is 2n minus 1 lambda by 2. Rearrange x equal to 2n minus 1 lambda capital D by small d. Before going to next page, please ask me a doubt in this page.
Sir, lambda by 2 எங்க sir போச்சு?
You are right. Good. இந்த 2 வரணும். Excellent. இந்த 2 இங்க வரணும். சரியா? Good. Shall I go to next page?
Yes.
உனக்கு புரியுதாமா?
Yes, sir. Understood,
So
sir.
xn is equal to 2n minus 1 lambda capital D by 2 into small d. So what is x1? 2 into 1 minus 1 lambda capital D by 2 into small d. 2 minus 1, 1. So 1 lambda capital D by 2 into small d. What is x2? 2 into 2 minus 1 lambda capital D by 2 into small d. That is 3 lambda capital D by 2 into small d. What is x3? 2 into 3 minus 1 lambda capital D by 2 into small d. That is 5 lambda capital D by 2 into small d, and so on. So like the previous steps, what is x2 minus x1? It is a distance between first two dark fringes. It is 3 lambda capital D by 2 into small d minus 1 lambda capital D by 2 into small d equal to 2 lambda
Oh,
capital D by 2
lambda.
into small d is lambda capital D by small d. So நான் pronounce பண்ணும்போதே capital D small d pronounce பண்றேன் நோட் பண்ணீங்க அதே மாதிரி நீங்களும் பண்ணுங்க. Okay, likewise if you do x3 minus x2 we are getting same answer. If you do x of n plus 1 minus xn we are getting same answer. So from this what is the conclusion? Distance between any two consecutive dark fringes are equal and the value is lambda capital D by small d. Step 3 over. You can ask me any doubt.
So எல்லா கேசஸ்க்குமே வந்து distance between any two consecutive dark fringes வந்து it will always be delta capital D by small d.
Exactly correct. Any two consecutive fringes same ஆ தான் இருக்கும். Second fringe
For
slit
any
fringe.
case.
Any case correct. Interference க்கு.
Okay, sir.
Okay. From this we can define the fringe width. We can define fringe width. So what is fringe width? It is a distance between any two consecutive right fringes or any two consecutive dark fringes. That is equal to beta. So that is equal to what? Beta. So beta is equal to lambda capital D by small d. Okay, beta na fringe width. What is lambda? Wavelength. What is capital D? Distance between double slit and screen. Small d, distance between double slits. So beta is the fringe width. Lambda is the wavelength. Capital D is the distance between screen and double slit. And what is small d? Distance between two slits.